Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster bisque pasta. We will begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have fresh lobster and quality pasta. Then, we will walk through preparing the rich bisque base, followed by cooking the pasta to perfection. Finally, we will combine everything for a truly unforgettable meal, ready in about 1 hour. First, we will sauté finely diced aromatics such as shallots, carrots, and celery in 2 tablespoons of butter until softened. Next, deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of brandy or dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits. Then, add the lobster shells and 4 cups of fish or vegetable stock, simmering for 20 minutes. Finally, strain this flavorful liquid, pressing solids to extract every drop. Now let's finish the bisque. Create a roux with 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour, then gradually whisk in the strained bisque base. Stir in 1 cup of heavy cream and simmer until thickened. Gently fold in your perfectly cooked lobster meat. Simultaneously, cook 8 ounces of your favorite pasta until al dente, remembering to reserve about 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water. For the grand finale, combine the al dente pasta directly with the warm, luscious lobster bisque sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, add a splash of the reserved pasta water until it reaches your desired consistency. Garnish generously with freshly chopped chives or parsley for a vibrant touch. Serve this exquisite dish immediately and savor every luxurious bite of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.